Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making our coconut curry meatballs, so stick around. My main spice is ready. Let's go in with our ground spices. A teaspoon of cumin, a tablespoon of garlic, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it up. Then add a teaspoon of salt, then an egg. Then we're gonna go in with our breadcrumbs. We won't be adding all of it at once. We are going to be adding kidogo till we get our consistency. So let's mold them into balls. So our balls are ready. Let's go ahead and fry them. Make sure you turn them, and once they turn brown, remove them. So I already chopped everything that I'm gonna be using: an onion, 3 tomatoes, 2 pieces of garlic, chili, and coriander. Let's get into the fun parts. Let's go ahead and fry our onions. Then add garlic. Fry them till they're about to turn brown. Then add your tomatoes. Add salt, cover it up, and let the tomatoes cook for about 2 minutes. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we are gonna add our spices. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a tablespoon of curry powder. I'm using my spicy curry powder, but you can use any that you have. Then add a little bit of water. Then we're gonna go in with a tablespoon of tomato paste. And let it cook for a while. Then go in with our coconut milk. Add a little bit of water. Mix it up. Then we're gonna add our meatballs. Let them cook, let them soak. Then we're gonna add our chili, then go ahead and add our coriander a little bit. Mix it up. At this point we're pretty much done. We're going to let it cook for about 2 minutes, then proceed to serve them. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Share with your friends, and I'll see you next Thursday. Bye.